Chapter 6 Physical Features of India. You will learn different landforms of India, mountains and plains, plateaus and deserts, islands of India. Let's begin. I want to go to Rajasthan in vacations. I want to see the desert and have a camel ride. I want to go to see snowfall in high mountains. Can you suggest where should I go to see it? You go to Shimla or Manali or Mussoorie to see snowfall. Teacher's note. Start the chapter with a map of physical features of India. Demonstrate different landforms on the map. India is the seventh largest country by area. It is the part of continent Asia. It is the second most populated country in the world after China. It shares its boundaries with Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, China and Myanmar. It has the highest mountain peak, Everest, in the world. India is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Different landforms of India. The land of our country is not same everywhere. It has different types of landforms. These landforms are mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal plains and islands. These varieties make our country a very beautiful place to live in and attract the people of the world. The various landforms of a country are known as its physical features. Let us study about the different landforms. Mountains. The landforms of the earth that are high areas with steep slopes are called mountains. A chain of mountains forms a range. In the northern part of our country, we have the Great Himalayan Mountain Range. This range has some of the highest mountains in the world. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is a part of Himalayan range. Its height is 8,848 meters. The peaks of most of the Himalayan mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. The famous rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from Himalayas. The melting snow from glaciers in mountains keep these rivers fed throughout the hot and dry summer months. As they flow down to plains, several smaller rivers join the main rivers. As we move down to the lower slopes, we find thick forest. This is called the Terai region. The Himalayas extend towards the northeast region of India and form Purvanchal range of mountains. The Aravalli range extends across the states of Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. There are some mountains also found in central and south India. The Satpura hills are in central India and the Nilgiri hills are part of South India. Plains. The flat level landforms are called plains. As we move down to the south of Himalayas, we come to the northern plains of India. This area is also called Gangetic Plain. The vast area of North India are covered with flat lands of plains. The rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi, Satluj flow through the plains. The plains have fertile land due to these rivers. A variety of crops are cultivated in these fertile lands. Along the banks these rivers, many cities are located. Delhi, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata are some big cities located in the northern plains. Coastal plains. The narrow strip of plain land found along the western and eastern coasts of India are called coastal plains. Western coastal plain are narrower than the eastern coastal plains. Rice and coconut are grown in plenty in these areas. Some big cities located in these areas are Thiruvananthapuram, Mumbai and Chennai. The main rivers flowing in these areas are Tapi, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi and Godavari. Think up. Take an outline map of India, mark different rivers on it with the help of a book or your elders. Plateaus. The land which is flat and higher than the surrounding areas is called plateau. The southern part of India has uneven flat surface. It is higher than the surrounding plains. This is called Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau. The Southern Plateau covers the largest part of our country. This region has many rivers like Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, and Mahanadi. These rivers are rain-fed and often get dried up during the summer season, unlike the snow-fed rivers of the North India. The land in southern plateau is rocky, hard and less fertile than plains. It has hills and mountains on all three sides. Some big cities of the Deccan Plateau are Nagpur, Pune, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. Another important feature of South India is that it is a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from three sides. The southern India is also known as Indian Peninsula. The Indian Peninsula has the Bay of Bengal to its east, the Arabian Sea to its west and the Indian Ocean to its south. Desert. Desert is a large area of land covered with sand. When we move toward the northwest part of our country, we can see a vast area covered with sand. This area is called Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It covers a large part of the state of Rajasthan. The Thar Desert gets very less rainfall. Due to this, very few plants and trees grow here. The climate is dry and hot in summer and cold in winter. The people live a very hard life in this area. The camel is commonly used in the deserts for transport. It is called the ship of desert. Islands. An island is a place of land surrounded by water. There are many islands in the water bodies around India. Some of these islands are part of India. One group of islands in the Bay of Bengal are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands is another group of islands in the Arabian Sea. Fact frame. Cellular Jail of India is located at Port Blair in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is made by the British government during 1896 to 1906. Our great freedom fighters were imprisoned there by the British. Cellular Jail was also called Kala Pani Jail. Recall. The various landforms of a country are known as its physical features. These landforms are mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and islands. The Great Himalayan mountain range lies in the northern part of India. The northern plains of India lie in the southern part of Himalayas. The southern part of India has uneven flat surface. This is called Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau. The Great Indian Desert lies toward the northwest part of our country. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are two islands of India.